Hey everyone, it's Rob Galerno again with Journey Fitness Center. So as you know, we're teaming up with SmoothieBox in your 30-day challenge. So we wanted to give you one more exercise today and some tips on this exercise that you can incorporate into your program over your 30 days. So let's get into it. This is called a mountain climber. I'll show you the first way to do it the basic way, and then I'll show you a progression. So what we want to do is get into a plank position, hands on the floor, under your shoulders, body straight from your ankles to your shoulders. Keep your belly button toward your spine. Keep your abs tight. And we're going to do one leg at a time, bringing it up toward your chest. Touch the toes to the floor. Keep a nice even cadence as you do these. And we usually time these with our clients. You go anywhere from 10 seconds to a minute, however long you want to do this. Usually 3 sets. Another option with this, if you want to make it a little more advanced and these get too easy for you, is pick up the pace a little bit. And what this is working is mainly your core. So it's great for activating the abs and core stabilization. So there's another exercise for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep drinking those smoothies and we'll see you in the next video.